Upgrade your furniture craftsmanship with the Grizzly G1026 3 horsepower shaper. This professional-grade shaper has all the power and precision you need to handle your biggest productions. This shaper comes with 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch spindle sizes. This allows you to work in combination with different size cutters and spacers. Additionally, the Grizzly G1794 router bit collet is a must-have add-on to this shaper for added versatility with router bits. The shaper also comes with 3 table inserts to give you 4 possible opening diameters in the table surface. Speaking of the table surface, the G1026 has a precision ground cast iron table that measures 28¼ by 30½ inches. The cast iron fence comes in 2 pieces and can be independently adjusted for different cutting thicknesses or any special shaping applications. The fence can also be removed for easy replacement with other zero clearance or custom fences. Giving this shaper its power is the 3 horsepower, 240 volt, single phase, 12 amp motor. This motor has 2 RPM settings for different spindle sizes. Any spindle 3½ inches or larger must be operated at 7,000 RPM, while anything smaller can be on the 10,000 RPM setting. Other special features of this Grizzly shaper include a locking forward and reverse spindle switch, spring steel hold downs on the fence, and a compact 21 by 23½ inch footprint. Whether you're looking to ramp up your production schedules or just the size of your projects, the Grizzly G1026 3 horsepower shaper is powerful, dependable, and at a price point our competition can't even come close to. Visit grizzly.com to learn more and to get yours today.